Hello, thank you for watching this video. I just wanted to announce that I have passed 500 subscribers and I couldn't have done that without you. I'm very thankful for everybody who is watching about the color blocks, and I really hope it's helpful. I try to spread the word about the color blocks. It's something that I've developed in the past 10 years unconsciously, I think, and I started to analyze it maybe 1.5 years ago when I discovered actually that it's all based around one pattern, and I kind of synthesized what I'm doing here. So there is so music theory is like one big labyrinth of complexity, and I try to create a path for you to get started with piano, or to get started with piano again, if this was something you did in the past, or any other music instrument, or maybe you never had the opportunity to study it, and this is your signal to get started. That would be amazing to try out the color blocks. It's a way where you don't have to read notes, or you don't have to learn about chords. Of course, we are using chords because it's part of the music theory. It's part of the nature, the overtones, everything that's connected with frequencies and tones and sounds and music. So yeah, but to break it down to color blocks, I think really helps starters to play their favorite song or any other song that I have available in the course. But yeah, other than that, I was not expecting, honestly, that the first video I uploaded 7 days ago or 8 days ago. Yeah, I'm used to getting 23 views, and I told my wife like, oh wow, this has 100 views, and then 1 hour later, whoa, 200 views. I love it. And maybe a couple of hours later, it was 400 views, and then I was like, whoa, this really, people are watching it. but but then just to discover the next day that it had 10, not the next day, but maybe the next day it was maybe 2,000 views, and a couple of days later it became 10,000 views. And normally I'm not checking that every day, or I don't really care about likes or anything like that on social media. But with this, I was just constantly refreshing my phone. I actually got many headaches from it. I don't know. I just thought, wow, this is really cool. Something that is so close to your heart, to spread it into the world and people picking it up like that. I thought this is pretty insane. And I see that the videos that I upload are getting views right now, and it really helps me to create new content, basically, on what I know about playing the piano. And yeah, I receive also a lot of thoughtful comments. Some people are really happy with what I'm doing. Some people give me very good feedback about things that I say, because what I'm talking about right now is basically 100% improvisation. I am planning to use scripts later, but I need to get used to the record button, I think. So yeah, I like to edit video clips and stuff, and I'm very into AI. So this channel will get more advanced. How do you say that? I will really try to improve this channel, the quality of each video, maybe to bring the amount of minutes a little bit down and edit and remove my filler words and all of that kind of stuff. I also don't want to remove the natural feeling out of it, but maybe it's also my insecurity talking about me saying a lot of like that. So yeah, so I'm very surprised, very positively surprised, and I really enjoy this process, and I cannot wait to know where we are in 1 year. So I really need your help with that. If you like this, share it with your friends. And yeah, this video is just dedicated to that I saw that it has 500 subscribers. I mean, let me check right now. I think it is 504.
Hello.
513. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. So for me, that's insane. Yeah, I'm using smart things. I'm also very into automating stuff. So maybe I will also create things about that and totally mess up the YouTube algorithm. The YouTube algorithm will probably like, what is this dude doing? He's now uploading something about To-Do-List. Like I have this video about how you can create your, yeah, it doesn't really matter. I have a video about school. That's the platform that I host my community on. And last summer I built a waterfall in the garden and I shot videos about it. So I am definitely going to share that as well on this channel. And we will see where it goes. And there are no rules, I guess, with uploading. It's just discovering what people like to see. And I guess the piano thing is working. And yeah, so in my community, I help people play 3 songs in 30 days. Maybe I can explain a little bit about that. Yeah, when you join the community, it's gamified. So when you enter, you cannot study anything because you need to get 5 points first. When you end, but that's also the fun part. Actually, it sounds not fun, but your first task is, for example, to vote on something, gives you 1 point. Secondly, is to introduce yourself, and then you see like this whole list of 60 people who already commented, and people are from Mexico, from Canada, from Spain, and from the United States, and from New Zealand, and then it's just becoming one big community, and it's something that I'm really proud of. So if you like to be part of that, I would suggest to join. And there's a link below in the description. So yeah, let me know what you think, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. Bye bye.